In this video, we are going to see about select command in SQL. So, select command is used to retrieve that subscript rows and column from one or more tables. So, general form for select is select that column list from table name. These are optional one where conditions group by column name having conditions. When you are using group by command, we should not use where. And order by column is either ascending or descending order. Select commands. First one is to retrieve that specified columns from the tables, means we can mention that column name using this formula. Select column 1 comma column 2 from your table name. Example, select register number name from students. So two columns selected from the student. Say example, see here that name and date of birth is retrieved from the table. You want to retrieve all the rows from the table, we should use the command select star from table name. Example, select star from students means all records are select from students. See here, select star from students means, so what are the columns available, all things will be displayed. And next, distinct in distinct classes is to display the only that unique values. It remove the duplicate values in the corresponding columns. So general format select distinct column names from table name. So select distinct name from students. The duplicate names will be removed from the columns names in the student table. So example, select distinct of name from students and select command in where clause. So where class is used to filter the records from the particular table. If it is based on the conditions only, we can extract that particular records from the table. General format select column from table where condition. Say example, here is selecting the customer details whose country is London. Say another example, select the customer detail whose customer ID is 1. I'm going to select that from student table name. I'm selecting whose gender is female, their name alone is selected. So next, and operator used in select command. So when the all the given condition is satisfied, then only that columns will be selected. See, under like other programming language, so all the condition is true, then it return true, then we can select the columns. So general format select column 1, column 2 from table name where condition 1 and condition 2, etc. See example, select a star from customers where country equal to India and continent equal to Asia. So here the customer details was selected who are in India as well as their continent must be Asia. Then only their details will be selected. See example. This is that student table. From this, I'm giving the condition gender must be female and also fee should be 5,000. Those students name only selected. So Manisa only selected. Ajay 5,000 fees, but gender is male. So only Manisa alone selected. And or operators, under operator means all the condition must be satisfied. Then only columns will be selected. When or any one condition satisfies, we can retrieve the data from the table. See here, selecting the customer details, either is in Madurai city or Chennai city. See here that from the student table, see either gender is a female or fee is equal to 5,000. Those students' name is or selected. So here that female Rani satisfy female gender, Manisa satisfy both female as fees, and Ajay satisfies fees. Fees alone true, so it's displayed. And not operators, the given condition is not true, then the column will be selected. For example, select the details of customers who are not in the Germany country. And select command not operator examples here. Who are not in display the student names whose gender is not female. So all male gender student name is displayed. We can use not the column name equal to the value, otherwise we can use the not equal to operator also. So where gender not equal to F also we can use it. We'll get the same result. Next, the between operators is used to select the given range of select the values between the given range. It may be a numbers, text, or dates. We can use it, and it must begin and end values must. So select column name from table name where the column conditions the between first value and the last value, between this two range of value 1 value 2 range of values only the columns will be selected. So example, we are selecting the details of products whose price is between 10 and 20. So 10 and 20 also include 10 to 20 values price value products or display selected. Say example, I'm selecting that student name and a roll number from student table whose roll number between 102 and 105, that means 102 to 105 values were selected. Not between means it's just opposite to between. It select the values, exclude the given range. Values also number, text, dates we can give. So same syntax like a between, except not word alone you have to include here. Select column names from table names where column name not between value 1 and value 2 you should give. Example, select the products details whose price is not between 100 to 20. Apart from 100 to 20 values, other values product details will be displayed. Here example, we are going to select that name and roll number from the students whose roll number is not between 102 to 105. So only remaining 101 and 106 is available. It's displayed. Thank you.